In this lesson, we are going to see compound interest and how to use online TVM software to calculate compound interest. So the interest is actual money that you earn when you invest. All the extra money you have to pay when you borrow money. So for example, if you save $10 and earn $1 in the interest after 1 year, that $1 is your interest. This is the actual money. So compound interest is when you earn interest not just on the money you saved, but also on the interest that you have already earned. Simple interest, you only earn interest on the money you saved. Compound also earn money on the interest you have earned. So this means your money can grow fast. Let's see one example. Imagine you have $10 and earn 10% interest compounded each year. So you start with $10. At the end of the first year, 10% of $10 is $10 times. 10% is 10 divided by 100. Then it is only 1 year, so times 1. This is simple interest calculation. You will have $1. And this $1 is your interest. The balance in your account will be $10 plus $1 is $11. So this is the same as we did for simple interest. But if this is for compound interest, then next year you will start with $11 instead of $10. So you are going to make 10% of $11. Of means multiplication. So $11 times 10% is 10 divided by 100 is your 10%. Then this is 1 year. Then you will have $1.10. So you see, comparing to the first year, you are going to earn 10 cents more than the first year. So after 2 years, your balance is the $11 at the beginning of second year plus the interest. You have $12.10. Then in the year 3, you start with $12.10, and the interest 10% of something is $12.10 times 10%. 10% of something means multiplication, and you will have $1.21. So comparing to the first year, you earned more interest, 21 cents more than the first year. So total after 3 years is the beginning of the third year, $12.10 plus $1.21. You have $13.31. This is a compound interest. Based on compound interest, the balance in your account. If it is saved as simple interest, then the simple interest always we do the 10% of $10, the money you invested at the very beginning, then times number of years is 3 years. So you have $3 for the interest. Then you add together the balance in your account is $13. So comparing to the compound interest, you will see the compound interest you are going to have 31 cents more than the simple interest. Then this is what we mean is your money grows faster as compounded, and lucky that all the saving account is doing compound interest, and that is also the reason that your investment could grow faster, okay? As long as you keep it in your account for a longer time. There is a 72 factor. So the interest rate, for example, you have one interest rate is 6%, then 72 divided by 6, you have 12 years. It means if you invest money at 6%, then every 12 years, your money will be doubled. So this is a number of years your money will be doubled if you use 72 divided by the interest rate. So we call it 72 factor. And after that, we are going to see, we don't want to do the compound interest year by year. We have an online calculator, we can do it. So now we are going to practice on just do it year by year. And after that, we are going to compare it with a TVM solver, okay? So this is a compound interest. You have $20 saved, and you are going to earn 5% interest each year. So first year, you have $20, then you are going to do the interest is 5% of $20 is times. So $20 plus 5% of 20 is 20 times 5%. 5% is 5 divided by 100. Then you will have $1. So plus 1, you have $21 after the first year. Then for the second year, you are going to start with a total after first year is $21. Then 5% of $21. So we have 21 times 5 divided by 100. For 1 year only times 1 year. We have $1.05. So we add it. We have 21 plus $1.05. We have $22.05. And this is a balance in our account. For compound, we use balance to do the calculation of the interest. So the interest is $22.05 times 5 divided by 100. And we are going to round it to 2 decimal places. You will have $1.10. So we add it to the $22.05. We have $23.15. By doing this, it's a little bit troublesome. We do have a TVM solver we can use online calculator to do the calculation. And here are some most common compounding periods. It's not always the interest calculated 1 year. So if 1 year, we call it annually. And if every half a year the interest is paid or calculated, then we call it semi-annually. And you need to know that semi-annually the interest is paid twice. It's quarterly every 3 months. It will be paid 4 times per year. If it's paid monthly, then the interest will be paid 12 times a year. Weekly, we have 52 weeks, so paid 52 weeks. If interest is paid every day, then it will be paid 365 times. So we are going to use this TVM solver and redo these top calculations. So just go to Google and type in TVM solver Grandwire. Then we pick the financial calculator. You will see the simple calculator, simple financial calculator. It has a present value, future value, annual interest rate, and the number of years, periods per year. This is for compound interest calculation. So we are going to see the just now we have $20, so that is the money we have now. This one we call present value is $20, and the annual interest rate is 5%. We just put in 5, and we leave there for 3 years. It calculated paid 1 year once per year, so its period is 1. Then we are going to see after 3 years what's balance in your account. It's $23.15. So let's go back and see our calculation just now. So it will be $23.15. So you see we have done all those steps, but using the TVM calculator, we just type in $20, 5%, and 3 years. You will find out the balance in your account quickly, and that is what we are going to do for this lesson. Okay, so we just type in $20, 5%, 3 years, calculated, paid once per year, then price on the F for future value, then it will solve for you. Okay, so you just delete it, you press it again, it will do the calculation for you. So now we are going to see the next example, how we are going to use simple financial calculator to do the calculation. Okay, so the next example is this one. So Hassan invested $1,000 in an account that pays $5.75% interest compounded annually. It means once per year. So 5.75% is our interest rate. This is 1,000, so annual interest rate. And assuming no deposits or withdrawals are made, find how much money Hassan would have in the account 3 years after his initial investment, rounded to the nearest hundredth. So this one is your present value. So we are going to put 1,000 here without the dollar sign. And the annual interest rate is 5.75 without the percentage. And the number of years is 3. So annually is once per year. Then we press the for future value, the F button. Then we are going to see. So this one we make it smaller. Okay. So 1,000. Then future value is nothing there. We are going to do the calculation 5.75 and 3 years, once every time, compounded annually. Then we press F. That is the answer. So this is 1182.61, and this is our answers for the balance in the account. So this is what we want to find. Then write the statement. So this is rounded to 2 decimal places already. So we write a statement. Therefore, the balance in his account is $1,182.61. And I may want to ask you one more question. What's the interest earned? The interest means actual money. So what's the actual money is, at the very beginning, he has $1,000. Now he has $1,182.61. The actual money is take away the money that he had before. It will be the interest earned. Interest is actual money. So $182.61. So this is one example. Then we are going to practice on another one. So same person now, $20,000 in an account. So this is the money he has now is present value, and paid 6.75% interest, now compounded monthly. So we have the chart on the first page. So if it's monthly, then each year the interest paid 12 times. So we are going to put 12 in the period for per year. So this one, instead of 1, now is 12. So assuming no deposits, no withdrawals, so after 5 years, so we are going to put these numbers into this TVM solver accordingly. So 20,000, no comma, no dollar sign. Then the interest is 6.75 without the percentage. Number of years is 5. Then we price the future value, then it will give you the balance in the account after 5 years. So this is what we are going to do. So the TVM solver, we are going to delete the future value, then the present value is 20,000. And the interest rate is 6.75 percentage, and it's 5 years. Now it's not once per year, it's 12 times the interest will be paid. Then future value is 28,000. So you see $20,000, now it becomes $28,002.30. So it's so this future value is $28,002.03 means 30 cents. So this is balance in the account. So therefore the balance after 5 years is $28,002.30. The interest is actual money. So at the very beginning, he has 20,000 only. Now he has $28,002.30. The actual money, take away the 20,000. The actual money is from the interest. So now you will see $8,002.30 is interest earned. So it is very important that you keep the money in the account for a longer time. Then you will have more interest earned. So thanks for watching.